Y'all, my asthma is acting up. I keep having weak moments. You can't be too weak when you got this one right here. Child, are you weak? What is going on with you? She hit me in the stomach. Ow. You better stop it. You don't, girl. You do not scratch your grandmother and pull my skin, girl. Yeah, I'm so weak. She walking all around. Oh man, here come the grass cutter people. Well, now I gotta get the water up. I mean the swimming pool. I gotta get this up. Here they come. Come on, mama. Gotta get the pool up. Oh, my back itching laying down in that grass. Today, where's she at? Come on, little girl. All right, let me get the stuff up.